says every drop counts. But before starting our class, let us speak one affirmation together, and that is, I enjoy a life of happiness and health. I enjoy a life of happiness and health. Let us start the topic. Lesson 6, every drop counts. Every drop counts means every single drop of water is valuable. Water is so precious, we cannot think of a life without water. We cannot survive even a single day without water. We get water from many sources like ponds, oceans, lakes and the rain. Do you know beta? Rain is the main source of water and it is the purest form of water. In this chapter, we will be learning about the ways to save water. You know, nowadays we are wasting water and we should not do this. In this chapter, we will learn how we can save water. The methods of saving water. These are, we can make step walls, we can make jars. In earlier time, people used to make these things. And in this chapter, basically we will learn about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting rainwater is known as rainwater harvesting. Now I will tell you about step wells. These are the water reservoirs. They are wells or ponds where water can be reached by going downstairs. Beta, we will learn more about this chapter through our PPT. Please have a look.
Chapter 6. Every drop counts. Water is one of the most precious and useful substance around us. The natural sources of water are rain, river, lake, ponds and oceans, but rain is one of a major source of water on the earth. The water cycle brings rain. All the natural water bodies like river, lakes, ponds and streams get filled with rainwater. Water is very precious. We should not waste even a drop of it. Do you know how much trouble we had to undergo to bring water to our houses when we lived in our village? In our village, people have to walk long distance and stand for hours in lines to get water. But in cities, water in our houses generally comes from nearby sources like a lake or river. River or lake water is not fit for drinking. So, before being supplied to our houses, this water is purified in water purification plants. Chemical like chlorine is added to the water to kill germs. After this purification, the purified water is collected in big tanks. From these tanks, water is supplied to our houses through big pipes. We get this water through taps. Now, I will discuss some water reservoirs which were used in past to store water. The first one is bowlies or step wells. Step wells are water reservoirs. They were used in India many centuries ago. In the past, rulers built water tanks. Bowlies or step wells are the tank which has steps on all of its sides so that people can reach the water and is called a step well. Rainwater harvesting. It is one of the methods to store water. The process of collecting rainwater is known as rainwater harvesting. In this process, rainwater is collected by making a tank under the ground. The water flows down from the roof through the pipe into the underground tank. At last, I would like to say, save water, save life.